Is it live? Oh, I think so. Is the screen hard to see, or is that just my phone? Oh, actually, okay. I think it was just my phone. Or my internet, or whatever. Okay. Okay, so now... where are we at? Yeah, so we have the tile showing unopened. We have the face, and we have the score. Which the score, I think I'm gonna need to make a little bit more dynamic, but it's good for now. So now we need to actually work on showing the tiles. The thing is that we're gonna need to recursively show tiles, right? So how would we do that? Probably wouldn't be that hard. You just need to show. So if a tile has no mine next to it, then you just need to show all of its adjacent tiles, which that should handle the recursion itself. Okay, I think we don't need to worry about that too much, actually. Okay, so showing tiles. Tiles.show. Right now I'm just printing showing tile, right? Which is giving us... I'm also printing the index of the tile. Oh, I guess I took that out. Just showing tile. And it's only showing if it's not a mine, which means I guess this tile right here is a mine because it's not showing. And it's not showing on a right click, right? Because we have... Where do we do that logic at? Is left click. Then we're going to show it. We also need to say and not tile dot get is flagged. Okay, because we don't care about doing anything on a left click if a tile is flagged. But what about if it's right clicked, right? So is right click mouse press. And then there's also a scenario where you could have both clicked. So we'll handle that in the top if statement when we get there. But for now, let's just work with left and right. And if it's right clicked, then we need to say if not tile. See, we're doing the not is shown twice, right? We're also gonna need a condition for like if the game is over, but what do we want to do? It's tile. So if it's not shown, that's all we care about right here, I think. Do we care about whether or not it's shown when you do both clicks? Let me see. So here, yeah, we don't. Oh, if it's flagged, then it doesn't matter. But it's not shown, that one. Yeah, okay, so we don't care about whether or not it's shown. Oh yeah, we do. Oh no, we don't. Interesting. Okay, we'll just leave that logic for now. We could simplify it later if we want to. I think my internet is just slow in here. It's fine. Anyways. So yeah, we're gonna say if it's not shown, then we want to toggle flag. Okay. What does this do? Let's put this above show. Toggle flag. And then we want to say self.isFlagged equals not self.isFlagged. Let's go ahead and just print something out real quick so we could check. Say print toggling flag. Showing tile. Toggling flag is not working. Why not? Toggle flag. Is that not what I wrote? Where's board? If not tile.get is shown, tile.toggle flag. Are we not getting in is right click? Yeah, it's not registering a right click. Maybe that function's not right. Is right click. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. This should be 2. Okay. Now we say toggling flag and it's getting here. Okay. Now let's actually work on showing it. So we need a tile like sprite map. Similar to how we did with the numbers. Do I have a set sprite? I don't have a set sprite function. Okay, well, wait a minute. So we shouldn't store the sprite object in every tile, but we do store it in the board. Tile sprites. I mean, we could pass it into a limited function, or wait a minute. In the counter, we have the number map. In the board, let's just go ahead and add the tile map. There's a ton actually, right? There's like mine. Wait, how did I index this before? Am I indexing with integers or with, did I put in the string? Number, counter, let's see. Oh, it's a string, that's right. Where was I at? Sprites, okay. So what are all the different tiles you could have? How many are there? 16? Unopened. Empty? Oh, that's right. Empty flag, question mark, click. mine red cross. Okay. Just got an add. Wait, what is this? You can also index it like this. Can get rid of this now. Okay. So actually, we also need we're gonna need another private function inside of the tile class. Get number of adjacent mines. And then all we need to do is go through this should already be set by now. can I do? I don't have NumPy in here, do I? One sec. Okay. So we need the number of adjacent tiles. Let's see. Where we need self dot adjacent tiles equals well, that's not exactly gonna give us what we want. For whatever, let's just do it simply. Is this not a thing? I was hoping that was a thing. Okay. How is this not a thing? Get out of here, dude. Oh, is that just not a thing? Wait. Can you not do plus plus in Python? Right, wait, are you kidding me? You can't plus plus in Python. You can't do this. Alright, whatever. Oh, it's not. I want to say self dot adjacent mine count equals count. Okay. Actually, I want to rename or give this a new value or key. the empty ones, change that to 0. Now let's go put it in front of the other ones. I think this will come in handy. Alright. I think it's possible that we could finish this game today. Right, so we're setting the number of adjacent mines. When should we do that? Probably right here when we set the adjacent tiles. So, oh, what is that? No, this should be a private function. Okay. Oh, an old friend just texted me. Okay. So this makes sense. So when you show, see, it's probably not good to pass in the entire sprite object to tiles, but you could probably be fine to put in the sprite map, right? So let's go ahead and just say and then we could just set the sprite to sprite map unopened. And then in the board when we actually initialize the tiles, yeah, sprites and then now we don't need tile sprites at all, I think. We don't use it anywhere else, right? Oh, we do. Where? Oh, no. That's the only place. Okay. Okay. So tile. So now when we show, what do we want to do? We want to, first of all, set is shown equal to true, so. Or we could probably do that last in the function. Doesn't matter. We want to set the sprite equal to the sprite map, and then string of whatever the count is, adjacent mine count, right? What do I do in main right here? Oh, board handle click, and then we update after the event loop. Makes sense. Okay. So actually, this might be good for that. Let's see. This isn't right. How does this should be 1 if this is a mine. Something's wrong with my logic. This one is right though. And so is this one. How is this? I mean, what? Wait, so most of these are right. This one isn't right either. One, two, three, 4, 5. This should be 6 then, right? How are most of them right? That's what. But then some of them are just obviously wrong. So 3, 4, 5, 6. This should be 6. The 3 is correct. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. Make it easier. I am going to show all the tiles on initialization. So when we set the number of adjacent tiles, we just do self.show. Four makes absolutely no sense. This also, the tile spread is, or the mine spread is horrible. right? Is that just unlucky? I guess. Wait a minute. Is the problem that I'm updating self.tile somewhere, but also not flattening it again? Or resetting flattened tiles? Set is mine to true. Yeah, so here I'm actually... I've went horribly wrong somewhere. Could it be this? What if I show the number of adjacent tiles instead of the number of adjacent mines? So let's go ahead and do that. That's not right. So the two corners just aren't right. So, okay. So this makes me think that I'm just getting the wrong adjacent tiles. So there's something wrong with my adjacent tile logic. Well, what would this look like, right? So let's look at the board. So what is this? Say 15, 0, 15, 0. Right, so the lower I bound is going to be 0, or I minus 1, which is 14. Okay. The upper I bound is going to be the minimum of the tile count plus, or I plus 2, which is 17. So this is going to hit the bound of 16. So it's going to be 14 to 16. Let me just keep track of that. 14 to 16 for I. And then for J, it's going to be 0, or the max of 0 or J minus 1, which would be, it would become 0. And then the minimum of the horizontal tile count, or J plus 2, which is going to be 2. So it would be up here. So actually, it makes sense that it should be 3 though. Right, there are 4 of them. Are 2 the same? 2 are the same. What? Wait. What is it saying are the same? Oh no, 2 are not the same. They're 4 different. But for some reason it's removing... Is it, okay, so is the deleting confusing it? The deleting itself is confusing it. Alright, whatever. Let's just... I guess we'll make a small loop, just to see if this works. Oh, wait a minute. Tiles in range. Okay, tiles in range. If tiles in range, okay, dot position equals tile in question dot position. Then we want to np and see if this works. Oh, I didn't like that. Did you mean partition? No, I did not. Let me see. Alright. Where did I put? Huh? Oh, numpy array has no attribute position. Oh, wow. Should probably use the getter anyways. Oh my goodness, we want it flattened anyways. Hang on. Okay. Not right still. Am I even getting... What is this? Why does it have one? This sickens me.
Charlie Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbit Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
This works. And it's sickening that I had to do it this way. I'm definitely going back to that, but that works for now. Okay. Where am I showing the mines at? Oh, right here. Uh, oh, why am I... So when I'm handling the click, so left click. I don't know why I'm not allowing me to click mines. I'm just... That's a cheat code. Okay. So now the recursion, it should just be like a one-liner, right? What? Repeated 994 more times. Excuse me? Oh. Uh, that's just bad luck. Come on. Where's... Can I find a tile? Or did that work? Oh, I think that just worked. Come on. Come on. Oh, this works. Yeah, this works. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, man. Okay. I need something to drink. I'll be right back. All right. So should we handle flagging now? That's right clicking. Okay. So it's a little bit more than just setting is flagged, right? We need to say if self dot is flagged, or let's say get is flagged. In this case, if it is flagged, then we need to say self dot sprite equals sprite map, or self dot sprite map flag. Okay. And else we need to say self dot sprite equals self dot sprite map unopened. Or no, it's the other way around. This one's unopened. Actually, I think you're not supposed to show flagged ones in the recursion, right? I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to. That's something else I need to work on. Yeah, and if it was flagged and it was a mine, then you need to put the red cross on that. But okay, let me flag something. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so if they're flagged, you shouldn't show them. Okay, that's something I need to implement in the show. Say right. Okay. And that should be enough to handle that case. Let's see. Perfect. Amazing. Really? Come on. There you go. Okay. So we do need to handle if a mine is clicked at some point. I know that. This counter though. Should I give the counter to the board? I actually don't know how. Is everything passed by reference here? So kind of what it feels like. Let me just go ahead and put this in here then. Counter. That's in main itself. Let's give it to the board. Okay, so now we need to actually implement these increment and decrement functions. don't keep a real count? Are you kidding me? Okay. So now we need to turn it back into the string and reset the sprites. Which is... Is there a negative? Does the number map have a negative value? Let me see. Fine. Is it? Probably not fine. Oh, there's no negative in this. Alright, we just won't let it go. I guess we'll just limit people to 99 flags or whatever. Okay. So... Okay, so now you can't go below, you can't put more than 99 flags. Okay. Where was I? So this initialized numbers can actually be reused. I probably don't want to do that though, right? Because we have these number objects that are inside of self.numbers. So we could probably just iterate through these to say count value greater than or equal to 0. That'll never be an issue now. Because I don't let it get below 0. So I can just iterate through the numbers. So for number in number or self.numbers. Well, actually do have to set the count now, right? With this logic right here. And then now this is self.count value. And now I need to do number dot and whatever. Do I have number open? Yeah, right here. Okay. We need to say and again we could because it doesn't have it has no knowledge of what number it actually is. It just has its sprite. So I'll just say set sprite and just give it a sprite, and we'll say self.sprite equals sprite. Okay. And then I have the number map inside the counter. So all I need to do is get well. Okay, I think this should work. Or did I lie? Wait a minute. Alright, it looks pretty good. Let's try it out. Okay. Okay, so it's working. Incrementing works as well. I need to see what happens if I get below 0. Oh, it doesn't let me add any more flags. Beautiful. But now I can take one away and put one over here. Okay. Okay. That's what I want. Alright, what's next? Now the flag system works. The counter works. Showing tiles works. Now I need to work on ending a game, basically. We need to end the game if we click a mine. First, let's work on if you click a mine, you show all the other mines. So we need to go into the handle click function of the board. Is left click. If tile is not shown and it's not flagged, then you go into tile.show. Okay, and if it's a mine, right? Where's this at? Show, if it's a mine, what am I doing? Need to say mine red, right? Is that what it's called? Yeah. What is a red cross? When does that happen? Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, that happens if it was flagged. Okay, right, so if I show a tile, we, mine red, okay, and then up here, we want to say if tile dot is mine, then we want to show all mines. I don't know what I just clicked, but I'm okay with it. I just hid my nav bar. Oh, but what is this? I also just hid that. Alright. Oh, what did I just click? Oh, okay. Anybody's curious, F11 hides the nav bar and the top bar. Okay. My food's almost here.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Oh my
Has finally completed
goodness.
its critical vehicle function.
So it did work. It just overrode. Beautiful. Okay, going to get my food. Be right back. Oh, that's my favorite song. if I made this in this while making this game.
Okay, here's a Python mistake that's very easy to make. Let's say we have a list of domain names here and we want to cycle through them and remove the www dot at the beginning of each one. So one way you might think to do this is to say for link in links and print link.lstrip with an input of www dot. Lstrip essentially strips these characters from the left side of the string. The problem is when I run this, you'll see that the W in Wikipedia is now gone. It's because this input for lstrip is actually a list of characters to remove. It's not looking to remove the substring www dot, so I could say w dot and it will do the same thing. It's looking for all the w's and dots from the left side and removing them until it hits a character that's not in this list. Instead, we should use the remove prefix method with an input of www dot. This method actually looks for the first instance of this substring from the left side and removes it. So let's run this. And there we go. Be sure to leave a like if you found this helpful. Okay, here's a Python mistake that's very easy to make. Let's say we have a list of domain names here and we want
Two years ago, I had a decision to make. Would I play it safe and get a computer science degree, or would I dive headfirst into my passion, game development? You can guess what I decided on. I'm going to describe my experience at game dev school, what projects I completed, some regrets I had, whether it was worth it for me, some tips, as well as why you should spend some more time weighing up your options if you're looking to enter the game development industry. I began attending my game programming course at the start of 2022 here in Australia. As part of my requirements to enter the course, I needed to go through an interview and showcase some game/programming related projects that I had previously completed. Luckily for me, I had experience in programming since around 2017, which included Python, JavaScript for web development, and C++ in Unreal Engine 4. Obviously, the lead up to the interview was quite nerve-wracking.
I need to find the best way to learn math and science.
It's brilliant.org.
Whoa.
Okay, Squeaky Game, let's get it. Okay, for people that don't know, Squeaky Game is a game that's like with like fruit and you drop the fruit. I don't know. It's like basically Kawaii 2048. So here's the plan. We need to remake Squeaky Game because you can only get it on Switch. I mean, there's this version, but like we're not using this version. And then once we have a game, we'll do some AI wizard to make it play it really well. All right, game time, baby. So Squeaky Game is basically just like a container, and then we got some fruit, and that's kind of it. Okay, all right. Squeaky Game speedrun, go.
Oh, in Unity.
And time, that's Squeaky Game, baby. Okay, there is like a couple more things to add, but honestly not that much. Like, we're pretty close. We are actually gonna have to do some coding here, unfortunately. Okay, now we can spawn the little in and we're making progress. Okay, I know we haven't really done anything yet and we literally started this like 10 seconds ago, but it's time to make it pretty. I'm talking art design. Art design with Code Bullet. Art design is probably one of the hardest parts of making a game, but luckily I'm not a game developer. I'm a YouTuber. So instead I'm gonna do the very scientific process of watching clips on YouTube and taking screenshots of the fruit. Oh yeah, and I also stole the background art because what do you want me to do? Draw it myself? Okay, so that was easy. Now we got all the fruit, we need to line up the hitboxes for each of them. Luckily, all of these are just circles, so it's not exactly a Herculean task. Okay, now we need to write some basic logic. When two of the same fruit combine, they form into a new fruit. The two cherries make a strawberry, two strawberries make a grape, yeah, and so on, until you get all the way to the prestigious watermelon, which is like the end goal of this game, basically. And we should have cherry combining working. If two collide... You're joking. Okay, fuck this game. If two collide, you should get a strawberry. Yay, there we go. Okay, oh, fuck me. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. I don't know what was going wrong, but I just fucked with some values, and voila. I'm sure it won't be an issue later. Dude, can you not, please? I'm a good programmer, I swear. God, I hate that guy. So
Is
we
that
got
Bill
cherries
Gates?
that combine into strawberries. Now we just need to set up all the other fruit combinations and we're Gucci. All right, let's run it. Oh God, no, we are not Gucci. That frame rate is terrible. I think it is trying to spawn an infinite amount of fruit, which is not ideal. Oh, I can't stop the program from running. Oh, and I also can't close Unity anymore. That's fun. That's a fun little feature. Using a cool 98% of RAM. That's okay. You can have it. I wasn't using that. Oh, and it crashed. Okay, well, problem solved itself. Okay, let's just hope that we saved recently. And nope, that's a completely empty scene. I have never saved.
No way. I was joking. What? At least he had all the assets,
Okay, I
though.
think we're back where we were, and I have saved. I saved like 8 times, so let's run it back. Oh. Okay, well that makes things easier. Oh, now there's 4. Okay. Okay, it should work now. Don't explode, don't explode, don't explode, don't explode, don't explode. Oh. Yeah, let's fucking go. We did it. Squeaky game, baby. So in this game, you basically keep going until you lose. Like, there's no end goal, you just keep going until you lose. And the game ends when the fruit the Cloud Boy is holding collides with the fruit in the container, which I've already implemented and really wasn't a problem. No, that's too many! Anyway, if you amp up the bouncy amount of the fruit, this death condition actually makes the game very interesting. I call my invention Squeaker Game, but bouncy. Since you die when something collides with the fruit you're holding, the fruit bouncing back up at you turns this in sort of like an action game. We gotta dodge the fruit, and the only way to settle them down is to combine fruits, which resets their velocity to 0. It's actually very fun. I actually quite enjoy it. Anyway, what were we doing? Oh yes, Squeaker Game AI thingy video code bullet. Okay, I'm ready. I'm back. All right, so even though I just like copied the art, I still managed to fuck it up. Like some of the colors are just a little dull, so I wanted to make it more pretty. So yeah, I did that, and here's sort of like a little side by side. We got the new fruit, which looks like a little more pretty, a little more colorful. I don't know if you can really tell the
Oh my goodness.
I just wanted to show off the fucking colors. Was that too much to ask? Don't you fucking start, Henry. You've lost I'm taking these. You've lost drumstick privileges.
Henry.
Okay, now that we've got pretty colors and stuff, pretty much all that's left is to add the scoring system, which once again, I did this through the very scientific process of watching streamers and then doing some quick math. Basically, you just get points by combining fruit. Of course, that's literally all you do in this fucking game. The bigger the fruit, the more points you get. And with that, I pretty much got this bad boy done. Except for that, I've never seen this before. Fatal error. Okay, that's a bit much. I think you're being a little dramatic. Look at that score, though. Whoa, a cool 41,000? Easy game. Okay, so let's actually have a look at what's going on when everything explodes. I've been procrastinating this problem for way too long. Looks like the big boom thing happens when a fruit collides with 2 of the same fruit at the exact same time. Instead of only combining with one of them, it tries to combine with both, creating 2 copies of the next fruit tier. Here's a more controlled version of what happens. What we get is 2 cherries turning into 2 strawberries, which instantly combines into a single grape, all in one frame. This isn't quite enough to cause the explosion though. For that to happen, we need the other fruit to sort of give it a little push. So in this case, it's really this right here that causes everything to go nuclear. We've got 3 cherries, which turns into 2 strawberries, which instantly combines with the other strawberry to become 3 grapes. The 3 grapes continue combining with themselves until they've reached apples, in which case these guys join the party. And now shit has properly hit the fan in a major way, reaching a cool score of, wow, okay, it's 2.5 million. Not too shabby if I don't say so myself. Apparently reaching 3,000 is impressive. So 2.5 million, child's play. Anyway, explaining that wasn't really that important. I just thought it was cool. And you know what? It's a fucking Squeaker Game video. Clearly your time isn't super valuable anyway.
Okay.
Okay, nice one. That was good, Henry. I like that one. Okay, basically all we have to do is stop 3 cherries from becoming 2 strawberries and we'll stop the apocalypse. Which is honestly only like 1 line of code. And look at this, it works. Magic. And with that, we've successfully cloned Squeaker Game, which is actually super easy. Like, only took me like 2 days. Which is a little life hack. If you don't want to pay for a new game, just fucking make it yourself. Instead of paying it's $2.99, okay? That's extremely reasonable. Okay, maybe just buy it yourself. Okay, now that the game is done, it's time to So the AI we're going to be using is called the genetic algorithm. Yeah! Basically, we're going to simulate evolution to make a smart boy. We just test the guy out, and then if he's doing good, we say he can live. If he's not doing well, then we don't let him live. It's kind of like Squid Game. Really? No, not at all. But the problem is this is running really slowly. So instead of just running 1 boy at a time, we instead are going to run a couple more.
It's a cool graphic.
I love doing that. This is actually hell for my computer. This is the frame rate it's actually running at. But because I'm nice, I'll speed it up for you. Just because I'm nice, not because you would click on the video and fuck my watch time. This is a selfless act. Okay, let's run that bitch. So initially we only start with the first 10 moves, and then
Oh,
once
this
we
one's
sort
hard to
of
look
nail
at.
those first 10 moves, then we can move on to the next 10, and then so on and so on. We increase the maximum number of moves every 5 generations, which is just, I don't know, an arbitrary number that I chose. It doesn't really mean anything. Just sort of felt right, which is true for a lot of machine learning. Like, it's a very vibe-based art. You just do what kind of feels right, and then if it doesn't work, you change it slightly. But yeah, it's pretty hard to see what's actually going on here because everything's like 2 pixels wide. So let's fast forward a bit. Okay, we're now at 100 total moves. When I ran them with just completely random moves, they'd last like 100 to 150 moves. But the smarter the AI, the longer it should last, in theory. We got a best score of 787. I don't know if that's anything. Yeah, my main goal for this video is to get a score of at least 3,000. I think that'll be that good. That's like the gold standard for what people are like aiming for. Like, it's a big deal if you get 3,000. It would be sick if we got a better score, but yeah, I'd be happy with 3,000. So we're at like 700, which is not that. So we still got a long way to go. But that's the best score they can get with the current number of moves. They're not dying at this point. So we should be able to get a much higher score. All right, another fast forward. Go. So we're now at 150 moves, and we do have some players dying, which is fine. That's how the AI works. You got to get them to fail in order for them to learn how to succeed, that sort of stuff. It's like children. You got to kill a couple to make an omelet or whatever it is. But if you look closely, some of them have honeydew melons, and some of them have 2 honeydew melons, which is very close to the... Actually, I'm just noticing that's not 2 honeydew melons. That's just 2 games with honeydew melons next to each other. It's really hard to see what's going on. I'm trying my best. Okay, anyway, fast forward. Let's go. And finally, after 96 generations, we got it where it's like pretty much not improving anymore. We got a best score of over 2,000, which is pretty good. Not really. Honestly, this is kind of shit. No one has a watermelon. No one's looking competent in any way. But I do have a plan. Okay, that didn't really work. It was all right, but it could definitely be improved. The main problem with this is I just used the score as the fitness function. Okay, let me explain. So we've got to have a way to calculate which boys did good and which boys didn't do good, so we know which ones we have to kill off. At the moment, we are just using the score. So if a player gets a better score, it's doing better, which kind of works. But the problem is the position of the fruit is really important in this game. These 2 have the same score, but one is in a way better position. It's this one. It's this one here. Basically, the strategy is you want your biggest fruit in the bottom corner so it's not blocking any of the other fruit. And you also want something that I call a fruit chain. You want your biggest fruit to be touching your next biggest fruit, which then touches your next biggest fruit to form a little chain thing all the way down. So you can have cool shit like this. Oh. No, the pineapple's still supposed to touch. Let me just grab this. So you can do cool stuff like this. Yeah. We did it. So I just got a little thing to calculate how long the fruit chain is and scale the score according to that. The scaled score also increases if the biggest fruit is in the corner. And yeah, that's it. I ran that bitch for like 8 hours. Honestly, this shit takes so fucking long. This has been such a process. But here it is. I present to you a Suika game, whatever it is. Go. go! We did it! It was actually good. Oh my god, I was so surprised. I really did expect a score of like 3,000, but we got final score of 4,200 and something. That's pretty good. That's crazy. We got double watermelons, baby. There are some things I could add to make it even better. I think I need a higher penalty for death because at the end it kind of just killed itself. It had all this space here where it could have like racked up an even better score. I also think I need a higher reward for it staying in the corner because it kind of just didn't do that. It just kind of fucked off and left. But yeah, cool. We did it. Let's go. Thanks once again to Brilliant.org for sponsoring this video. Brilliant is your place for all things math, science, and computer science, which if you're watching this channel is probably something you're interested in. I've talked a lot about how Brilliant can teach you how to do all things AI and all that magic AI algorithm stuff, but it also has really useful courses to help you out with game development. They have a great course on vectors, which is basically how all video games are doing everything all the time. If it's a 2D game, a 3D game, a puzzle game, or an actiony shooter thing, it's gonna be using vectors. Basically, you're gonna need to know how to use vectors. And Brilliant's Vectors course is a great place to learn about it. And because it's a Brilliant.org course, this bad boy has got interactivity for days. They get you to move around this cute little spaceship guy. Look at him, he's a cute little boy. To help explain all things vectors. And this is just one course of hundreds of interactive courses, which will make you an absolute weapon at game dev and computer science in general. So if you want to support your boy and level up, because the video game stuff, okay, I'm so clever. Probably because I've done so many courses on Brilliant. Anyway, go to Brilliant.org/codebullet to try everything Brilliant has to offer for free for 30 days. And if you sign up for a premium subscription, this bad boy will get the first 200 people 20% off. Mwah. You're welcome. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thanks again. Brilliant. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it was just like a little Suika game video. I thought it was cool. It was fun. It took way longer to do the AI than I thought. I had like a lot of problems with Unity's physics being a bit cutty, but I got it done. Yeah, okay. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Alright, I'll be right back, then I'm gonna get back to the game. Okay, where we at? So this idea came from the idea that we would need to be able to restart a game, which would involve resetting a board and resetting a face if need be, right? So in here we could have we don't need to pass these in. Okay, let me say self.board. Oh, what do we need? What does a game need? Or what does a board need? They both need screen and sprites. Okay. And the sprites can now be defined inside the game, and the game just needs the screen. Okay. What happens if I just import sprites? Is that okay? Yeah, that works. Okay. Oh. Beautiful. Okay. Now also, inside the game we need to, and this board handle click method needs to actually get now handle click needs to actually return true here, and then on mines, if the tile is mine, okay, yeah, we need to show all mines, but we also need to return false because the game should not continue. And if the game should not continue, right, so if not game should continue, then we need to set the sprite on the face So this actually doesn't really need to do anything because it's all about resetting the game, which happens in the game, which means I don't need to handle a click for the face, but it could stay for now. So if not game should continue, then we also need to set a sad face on the game, right? Can you multiply two constants? I have no idea. Let's see. Number count. To make it a real constant, don't you need to like, isn't there some keyword? Whatever. I'm okay with this. So So we need a condition for when the game's over. We need to say game 1. Oh, what am I was about to count everything up. Oh, that is horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Well, actually, hang on. Okay, so I can count. I should keep track of the number of tiles shown count. Okay, and then every time I show a tile, right? Every time I show a tile, where's this at? What happens recursively, doesn't it? Oh, that's ridiculous. Is there a way to not have to do this recursively? Is this passed by reference as well? Because if this is passed by reference, then so let's go into show tile. Where's this? Show all mines, tile.show. Okay, can we pass count? And then inside the show function, where's this at? We need, what is this? Tile is flagged. There's no way this works. There's no way it works. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. However, if it does, you know, there's no way it works. But if it does, what is this? Inside game.py, it doesn't like where draw is. What? Expected indented block after function definition on line 13. Oh, okay. Let me just. Alright, whatever. Yeah, of course it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Always uses pass by reference. Any variable assignment means any variable assignment means that it is a copy. So how is this not passed by reference then? Oh, is that assignment? Oh, that's an assignment. Oh, that's annoying. Mm. Come on. Come on. Dude, really? Can I just... I want to see what it works like with the... What is that? Tell that show missing... Okay, so in the recursive argument, I was missing the board, like passing the board. Where's this at? In tile. Of course I was. Where's this at? Dude, what is my luck? Come on. Come on. Come on. I'd say that works. Um... If you win, does minesweeper show the bombs? Okay, right here. I guess it does not show the bombs. Can you wait? Okay. Why is it going so slow? Is it like stealing all my information? What is this? Doesn't look right. What? What is this? Is that saying it's wrong or what? Oh, that's true. Oh, what it? Dude. Dude, what is this? I lost, man. These two have to be one. This one's not. Okay. Okay. So what happens if I didn't flag it though? Would it reveal it at all? Or would it just stay blank? Wait, is this the same seed I just had? It's not, right? It actually might be. Oh my goodness, I gotta do math. Which one is it? Is it in order for this to have two? Oh no. Oh, all three of these need to be one. Oh, sweet. Okay. So this one's a mine. This one's not a mine. Correct? Correct. Correct. Okay. This one is a mine, which means this one's not a mine. Oh, it flags it. Okay. That's good to know. It flags the mine. Okay, I needed to know that. So if the game was won, you need to flag all the mines. Flag all the mines. And then it put the counter to 0 as well. Bam! The counter is 0. Okay, so now clicking the face needs to restart the game. Is this counter supposed to stay what it is when you lose? Let's see. It does stay at 8. It does stay at 8. Okay. I'm not doing all this double click stuff. Where are we at? What else did I do to try to account for the double clicking? In the face, we have the set double click. What else? Oh, in the helper functions. Is this ever used? Double click. It is not ever used. Okay. What else is there? Mine count 480 is crazy. Let's just go back to 99. Tile. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Game. Face. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I think I'm done. I think everything is as it should be. Oh, okay. I think it all works, to be honest. I think it all works. The only thing that I could probably touch up on is the background here. Maybe I don't want black. Is there? What's a good background color? Red. What does red look like? Oh, I like. Let's try purple. I don't know what kind of purple this is gonna give me, but it should give me some sort of purple. What did I just do? Blue and green. Oh, wait, does it? This kind of fits it, to be honest. This kind of fits it. It kind of hurts my eyes, but wait, maybe I don't mind this. The yellow. I'll come back to that if I don't like the purple. What did I just do? This color looks pretty good on it too. What is this? Is this cyan? Uh, what is this? Blue and how do I make cyan from? I was assuming this would be like. Was this red and green? No, wait. Dude, I have no idea. Alright, let's try. Is this next one gonna give me magenta? Because if I get magenta, I might just need to stick it. Oh, wow. I kind of don't like it. I kind of don't like it. I think I like the cyan one the best. I think I like this one the best. Alright, I mean, I think this is done. It took like 2 or 3 days, I think. A total of how many hours did I put into this? How many hours did I put into this? Probably like 2 plus 3 yesterday, so 5 plus another 2 or 3 today, so 7 or 8. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Do flags stay if they're correct? I need to check out that. Do flags stay if they're correct? All those flags just happen to be wrong. Okay. Wait, what? The flags happen to be wrong. Oh, the real question is, do flags stay if they are wrong? Do flags stay if they're wrong? That's the question. Flags do stay if they're wrong. Nice. Is that what I have? The flag stayed and it was wrong. This flag was correct. Right, I mean, that's horrible luck. That's horrible luck. Alright, I mean, I think that probably concludes it for today. Wait, hang on. No, I think I got some refactoring I want to do. Alright, what did I want to refactor? Do I need to define this mouse press here? I mean, I think I do. Unfortunately. Um, unless I move it into the game object, but the mouse is outside of the game, I think. So, well, wait, technically it'll only catch mouse clicks inside the game. Whatever, that's not what I wanted to refactor. What I wanted to refactor was first of all, let me commit this because this game works. Let me commit this. Got add, got milk. This game works. Oh, I forgot. Did not mean to put another get ad. Okay. This game works. Quotation mark. Okay. What is this? Oh, I put another get ad? Are you kidding me? Okay, well, Control C. What is going on? I just can't type. This game works. Bam. Okay. Let me push this. Any day now. There we go. There we go. Okay. I know I pushed straight to main. It's fine. What I wanted to do had to do with the way I was getting the adjacent tiles. I don't quite like this quadruple for loop. I don't really like it. However, this didn't seem to work. You know what? We'll just scratch it. We'll just scratch it. This works. Let's not touch it. Comments. We don't need those. I feel like this code here has been fairly clean the entire time. You know what I'm scared to see? Scared to see how things would change with. Scared to see how things would change with a smaller, like a smaller tile count. Let me go 15 by 30. Just see what this looks like. Is that 15? I mean, it's got to be 15. Wow. Wow. So we can scale horizontally. Right, that's not actually what I was scared about, right? I could probably go all the way down to like 1, right? The only thing is if I do that, I can't have a mine count of 99. Let me just set this to 1 for now. Oh my goodness. One-dimensional minesweeper. One-dimensional minesweeper. That's what I'm talking about. And in the beginning, I was scared that this wasn't dynamic enough. Look at this. Look how dynamic this is. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. We scale horizontally. We do scale horizontally. Now what happens? What happens? I mean, we do scale vertically. We scale vertically. Now what happens if we try to scale horizontally? So let's go ahead and change the mine count back to, what was it? It was 16. Oh no, not the, not the mine count. Sorry, not the mine count. Let's change that back to 1. Let's change the vertical tile count back to 16, and let's change this one to 25. What happens here? Oh my goodness. Did I really make a fully dynamic minesweeper? Oh, we scale. We scale. Look at this. Look at this. Now there's probably like a limit that's too small because of the top icons, but that like we scale. What is this? Let's go back. Let's go to 5. What happens at 5? Things are gonna overlap at 5. Let's go to 8. Dude, I mean, does it get much better than this? I mean, does it? Dude, what? Who am I, John Carmack? Dude. Wow. Wow, that's actually amazing. Okay. Wow, my teachers would be so proud of me. That's great. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and change this back to 99. What changes did I make post commit? Literally just deleting any comments I had. And sprites is the only place I import sprites. That's beautiful. Tile, nothing is imported. Amazing. Sprites, only that. Board, what's imported in board? Helper is imported, numpy is imported, and then tiles and counters. Counter, do I import anything here? Just number. Okay, that makes sense. Numpy, do I use this? I guess I use it. Okay, that's fine. Import constants. That's something I would do if I wanted to refactor. Although it adds some color to my code. I do like the little green scattered about. So I'll keep that. Okay. Number. Okay, there's a comment. We can't have comments. We cannot have comments. Okay. Helpers. Import constants. We didn't need that. We didn't need it. Okay. Nice. Nice. Board. I mean, that's just compact. Look at these private functions. That's clean code. Sprites, good. Tile, good. Constants, good. Okay, face. What's in here? Constant. Look at how compact this is. I mean, I don't know. You just can't get much better. Game.py. All it does is draw and handle clicks. Beautiful. Needs a board and a face and sprites, I suppose. Yeah, this is the only place sprites is used. And then the main function is 30 lines long. I mean, who's improving on that? We did some heavy refactoring by deleting the comments. Let's go ahead and commit that. I mean, you don't get much better than that. You don't get much better than that. What better way to end the stream than by playing our minesweeper game? We're getting ready to shut this down. Getting ready to shut this down for the night. Let's go ahead and minimize this. We don't need the reference anymore. Nobody talked to me about adding the timer. The timer's a waste of space. Like this, it's 9999. Like it's broken. Wasted space. Shout out to that GitHub repository for the sprites. Oh, I needed VS Code so that I could run it. Oh no. Oh no, the end of the stream isn't going well. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we could win. Not a great start. Kind of a lucky start. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, how? Like, come on. I get 4, 4, 3, and then I get a 1, and the one adjacent tile I clicked is the mine. Like, come on, dude. I'm about to lower the mine count. Okay, okay. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Here we go. Here we go. Wait. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now we're stuck. Now we're stuck. Oh, this is free. This is also free. This is a mine. This is a mine. This is not a mine. I might have run out of steam. Might have run out of steam. Oh, come on. I was just trying to expand. Oh my, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. This is supposed to be like the hard difficulty, isn't it? What's an intermediate difficulty? Let's go to that. Oh, and I closed it, didn't I? Didn't I close it? Oh my goodness. I open a new tab. What is this right here? Alright, what is this? Is it 10 by 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? Did I count that right? 5, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 by 9 with 10 mines. Alright, fair enough. We're doing that. We're going 9 by 9 with 10 mines. Alright, here we go. Okay, okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is this even possible? Dude, what? Alright, there's only one mine left. Where's it at? Which one is it? This one would give 2. It would satisfy this one's 3. It would satisfy this one's 2. Alright, perfect. Winner, winner, winner. Alright, and with that, good night.